Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to solve another LeetCode problem statement, that is longest common prefix. This is problem number 14. So here we have given a string array, and what we have to do, we just have to find the longest prefix. For an example, at 0th index we have flower, flow and flight. So if you will see, this FL is common in all the three words. So this is our output. Okay. In the very next example, if you will see, there is no common prefix in dog, race car as well as car. So we are returning empty string. So it means if there is no common prefix, then we have to return empty string. So let me quickly jump to the board and we will discuss what approach we have to follow in order to solve this kind of problem statement. So as we know, like we have to find the prefix. So what we will do, the first step is whatever array we have, right, a string array, the first word, we will consider it as a prefix. So we'll declare one, variable called prefix and will assign the first word. So in this case, it will be flower. In the very next step, the iteration will start from index 1. Why? Because the 0th index is already assigned. Now we have to compare these two. So if we will compare this flower and flow, what you will find, like only FLOW till here it's matching. This is not matching. So the thing which is not matching, what we will do? We will simply trim it. In order to trim, we have a method in the string class known as substring method, okay, which takes start index as well as end index. Okay, start index it will include, end index it will exclude. Okay, now after doing this, what will happen? Again, you just have to update your prefix variable. So now the new variable will be, so now the new value for this prefix will be flow. Okay, in the very next step, we'll check if this prefix is empty, then we will return an empty string, or else at the end we just have to return the given prefix. This is the simple steps we have to follow in order to solve this problem statement. Let me quickly jump to the LeetCode compiler and we'll write the same approach. Okay, so as discussed, the first thing what we have to do, we have to declare one variable called prefix, and I'm assigning the first word in the given array, that is 0th index. After that, the index will start from first index. Why? Because the 0th index value is already assigned to variable prefix. It will go up to the length of the given array, and every time it will keep on incrementing. Okay, so if the given word in the array is equal to prefix, we don't have to do anything. We will just increment the value of I. If it is not same, in that case, what we will do, we will just add one check strs of ith index value if it is not starts with the prefix. In that case, we just have to trim the value. So in order to trim, we have a method called substring. Okay, and it will take index starting from 0 and it will go up to the length of prefix. Okay, minus 1. Okay, in the very next step, we just have to verify if the prefix is empty. Then what we have to do, as we have discussed, we just have to return the empty string. In the very next step, we just have to return the given prefix from the method. So this is it. So let me execute this code and we'll see whether it's working properly or not. Okay, so both the test cases passed successfully. Let me submit this solution. Okay, so all the 126 test cases passed successfully. So this is the approach we have to follow in order to solve this kind of problem statement. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.